First question is, who is known as father of modern India? The answer is Raja Ram Mohan Rai is called father of modern India. Second question is, who is known as father of history? Answer is Herodotus. Herodotus is known as father of history. Question number 3 is, who is known as father of geometry? Answer is Euclid is known as father of geometry. Question number 4, who is known as father of economics? Answer is Adam Smith is known as father of economics. Question number 5 is, who is known as father of evolution? Answer is Charles Darwin is known as father of evolution. Question number 6, who is known as father of homeopathy? Answer, father of homeopathy is called Samuel Hahnemann. Dr. Samuel Hahnemann is called father of homeopathy. Question number 7, who is known as father of political science? Answer is Aristotle. Aristotle is called father of political science. Question number 8, who is known as father of geography? Who is known as father of geography? Answer is Eratosthenes. Eratosthenes is called father of geography. Question number 9 is, who is known as father of philosophy? Father of philosophy is called Socrates. Socrates is called father of philosophy. Question number 10, who is known as father of mathematics? Archimedes known as father of mathematics. But remember, father of Indian mathematics is called Aryabhatta. Remember, Aryabhatta is called father of Indian mathematics.